Join me as I take on the challenge of combining the rich flavors of Malva pudding with creamy goodness of baked cheesecake. Greetings, Sanbona, and welcome. My name is CBO. Let's start with the base. Crush the cookies into fine crumbs. You may bash them with the bottom of a heavy pan. Be creative. Preheat the oven 260 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Once crushed, add the melted butter or margarine and stir until all the crumbs are coated. I will leave a list of ingredients in the description box below. Line the baking pan with a non-stick baking paper. That's optional. Then add your coated crumbs. Spread the crumbs to cover the bottom of the pan and compact them. I used the bottom of a drinking glass. Please kindly support this channel by running the ads to keep the lights on. I'd appreciate that. Press the edges down. Place it in the fridge for 10 minutes. For the cheesecake, in a bowl, place the sugar and the room temperature eggs. Beat them until they are light in color and fluffy in texture. Add the vanilla extract or essence, then the room temperature cream cheese. Add the room temperature sour cream and heavy cream. You may add the lemon zest to cut through the richness. Beat until they are all blended well. If you enjoy easy, delicious, unique desserts, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'd love to have you join our community. Add a little bit of flour for cohesion and sturdy cheesecake. As I was mixing, I realized that the pan I was using was small and I had to change to a larger pan. A big shout out to my Easy family, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your constant support. Do you have any adventurous baking recipes that you would like to share? Please comment below. Once it's well compacted, pour the filling into the pan. Bantase imnandi le dessert angifuni ukudlala ngani. Tap the pan to remove air pockets, then bake for 45 minutes. This is important. Once baked, cool the cake in the pan until you can touch it. It should be warm and not hot. Let's make our Malva pudding. In a mixing bowl, place the room temperature eggs. Add the brown sugar for that caramel flavor. Beat them until they have a fluffy texture. Then add the melted butter, the vanilla extract or essence. Mix, then add the apricot jam. Mix. Gradually sift in the flour with baking powder, salt and the bicarbonate of soda. Stir with a spatula now and not the hand mixer, and gradually add milk, add vinegar. Sift in the rest of the flour, then add the rest of the milk and mix. Scrape the sides of the bowl, then on low speed beat the batter to pop the bubbles. Pour the batter on top of the cheesecake. Tap tap the pan to pop the air pockets. Bake at an increased temperature 180 degrees Celsius or 356 for 30 minutes. Let's make the sauce. In a pan on medium to low heat, place heavy cream, sugar and stir. Add the butter or the margarine. Stir. Add the vanilla extract or essence and stir. Please note, once the butter melts and the cream becomes hot, not boiling, remove the sauce from the heat. Once the pudding is ready and still hot, poke it with a sharp object like a skewer and gradually pour the hot sauce. When it gets full, give the pudding a few seconds to absorb the sauce and continue until the sauce is finished. This is our new favorite dessert at home. Once at room temperature, I ran the blunt knife around the pan to loosen it. At this point, you may sprinkle the flaky salt, which is called the dessert salt, for pleasant textural contrast. The pudding infused the tangy creamy cheesecake with its sweet caramel flavors. This masterpiece dessert is moist, sticky, sweet, with a deep caramel flavor from the Malva pudding, a creamy, rich, velvety, smooth cheesecake. What a working balance! The challenge was to get a perfect working balance between the two, the moisture and sweetness of the pudding, the creaminess and the richness. Done. I hope you have enjoyed our little baking adventure. See you soon. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.